Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise from a voice record. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you'll be receiving notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you. So Audacity is the application we are going to be using. To get Audacity on your system, there's a link in the description. You can click on the link and download Audacity on your system and go through the installation process. It's very easy. Here we are in Audacity. This is what Audacity looks like. The first thing to do is that we're going to make a voice record. You can actually make a voice record on your phone or any other gadget you're using to make records and then import it on Audacity. Or you can record a voice in Audacity like I'm going to do now and by clicking on this red button right here. So I'm going to record my voice right now and remove the background noise so you see how it goes. This is me making a voice record to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So that's fine. So let's listen to the record and see if there is a background noise in it. This is me making a voice record to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. Now that's fine. If you notice, I left a bit of space in the beginning before I actually started talking. This is because I want to capture the background noise in my environment, so I'm able to take a sample of the background noise and then remove it from the whole record. You can do that as well. You should observe at least 5 to 10 seconds of silence before you actually start talking to capture the background noise in your environment. So once you are done recording, the next thing to do is to take a sample of the beginning when you were quiet. So I'm going to highlight, just to click and drag, and then you go to effect, scroll down and then click on noise reduction. When you click on noise reduction, a dialog box pops up and then you click on get noise profile. When you click on get noise profile, the next thing to do is to highlight the whole of the record by clicking Ctrl or Command A on your keyboard and then go to effect and then click on the second option that says repeat noise reduction. So now let's listen to the voice record again to see if the background noise is still there. This is me making a voice record to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So now I've gotten rid of the background noise in the record. So now this is the before. This is me making a voice record to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. And this is the after. This is me making a voice record to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So that's basically it. But if you have done it and you can still hear some background noise in the background, then you can repeat the same action by taking a sample again, go back to effect, you click on noise reduction, and then you can tweak these settings right here to remove the background noise. You can increase this. So the more you increase this noise reduction, the more background noise it will remove. And then when you reduce it, the lesser background noise is removed. So this one was at 20 before, so I'm going to leave it at 20. That's what I use. And then the sensitivity, you can leave it at 6.00, and then the frequency you can leave it at 0. And then when you are done tweaking these settings, then you go back and click on get profile again, and then Ctrl or Command A to highlight the whole of the record, and then go back to effects, then click on noise reduction. So that's basically it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please do well to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you and see you on the next one.